To begin using the Golden Nugget travel booking dashboard, simply select from the options below. To book flights, click Flights. Choose Round Trip, One Way, or Multi-City. Enter your departure airport, your arrival destination, the travel dates, the number of guests, and click Search. A list of available flights will be provided. A pop-up will appear asking if you wish to be notified of a ticket price drop. Enter your email or phone number to receive this notification and click Submit or X to exit out. Select your flight, enter your passenger information, first name, last name, date of birth is required, enter your known traveler number, pre-check, whether you'd like a refundable ticket, choose your seat, enter your billing details, and your payment information. Checkmark the box that you agree to the terms and conditions and click Continue and Book. Return to the main dashboard. Click Tickets to search local activities. Tickets are provided by our API partner, Tickets. Enter the country and the city location and click Search. A list of available activities with a picture and a brief description will be displayed. Select the activity you would like the tickets for and click Details. Here you can view more pictures and a full description. Click here for activity dates and times. Enter the date and the time slot. Checkmark the box. Enter the number of guests and click Save to Shopping Cart. You can proceed to the next screen by clicking Checkout or Proceed to Shopping Cart. Both will take you to this screen. A summary of the items in your checkout will be displayed. Enter your first name, last name, and address. Enter your credit card information. Read the terms and conditions here and check mark that you agree to them. Click Confirm and Proceed. Your order is complete.